TimmyKidsTv.
What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to be telling you guys some facts about animals. Isn't that right, Mom?
Yeah, that's right.
And did you guys know that tigers are the biggest animal, are the biggest cat on the whole planet? Let me explain why. Because lions, only because of their mane, which makes them the king of animals. I'll talk about that in a second. So if lions didn't have their mane, tigers would have been way bigger. And I actually have a theory why lions are the king of animals. Because their mane is a crown. Did you guys know if you traveled way back in time, there was one singular cell that is related to everything, and it's called Luca. I watched a documentary, Life on Our Planet, and it only told that there was one cell related to everything, and that cell is called Luca. If you guys know what dinosaurs are, comment down below, because I don't know, because my brain is tiny. And speaking of tiny brains, did you guys know that stegosauruses had the brain the size of a peanut? I'm pretty sure, or a walnut. And also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TimmyKidsTv, hit the notification bell so you never miss an awesome video like this one. I'll see you next time on TimmyKidsTv. Bye-bye!
TimmyKidsTv.